YouTube is paying me for not being posting a video for the last 2 months. I've been kind of lost of what kind of video I could share with you guys. My physical shop didn't make it after the pandemic. So hi, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. It's been a long time, guys, and I know I've been Mia lately, and I've been trying to cope up with the content talaga that I wanted to make for you guys. But now, for today, we're just gonna be talking about if YouTube is paying me for not being posting a video for the last 2 months. So I have my new camera here. That's why na-inspire akong mag-film, and I'm not sure if I'm having a good quality of the video right now because this can be a trial and error. So I cannot see clearly if we're doing it like this. So I have my own eyeglasses, but I know it's irrelevant. And I'm not sure if you can see me okay. But yeah, we'll see this. So I think the last time I uploaded a video, it's about 2 months ago. Literally 2 months ago na, guys. So I wanted to make a recap. So for today, our video, we will be talking about what exactly happened to me, why I'm been Mia. Dapat pala dito ako tumitingin. Okay. Why I've been Mia, what am I up to, and what kind of videos you will be expecting from me starting now. And yeah, the analytics of my YouTube earning. So that's what I'm going to show you on this video. So first, I wanted to say that I've been kind of lost of what kind of video I could share with you guys, because my channel, it's more on about a business, online selling, and of course having a workforce, or how to manage a small business. And I get lost because none of it really worked. My online selling did not wasn't successful. Let me just take this off kasi nailang ako. Not as successful. My physical shop didn't make it after the pandemic, so I have to turn it down. So basically, I don't have any content that is relevant to my subscriber and the previous videos I was creating. So I'm like, what kind of videos pa ba ang I can share that is relevant now that I don't have something to share with you guys? So now, what I've been up to is that I am currently in a event industry, guys. I'm collaborating with my friends, and I'm gonna be popping here our Facebook page. So what we do is we are a wedding planner. We are currently having we are a wedding planner, wedding coordinator, guys. We provide services for any events, corporate, and balloon decor. So the new service that I'm actually offering is not physically the Titas of Cebu na event services, is the wedding content creator. It's new to the market. It's new to the industry as a vendor, but you might be seeing most of the time my videos moving forward will be related to my current business, which is a event or wedding services, guys, especially with my wedding content creator now. So lately, I've been really busy for that. We've been together, I think, mga 2 years now with these event services. I haven't shared it because I don't know if it's going to be relevant with you guys. But I'm really hoping that more of the content, I can still share more of the content that is related to business with this kind of industry. So there. And then, let's see. And since I cannot see clearly, guys, let me just wear my eyeglass and I'm gonna be hitting the recording so I could record my screen. There we go. It's gonna be 5 minutes. So we have this. I'm gonna go to my YouTube studio. And of course, you will be asking, am I really getting paid back? You all know that my YouTube channel is monetized. It's just that I'm not really consistent with how I'm sharing videos or sharing any content because I'm not sure if it's relevant to you guys. So I will be in the analytics. So when was the last time I had 28? So I think the last time I uploaded was on February. So let me just put in March 1 and then apply it up until today. So for the last 2 months, yes, I still do earn. Now let me just show you that makikita nyo talaga dito guys that I didn't I didn't post anything, but my earning it's kind of small, the usual. I earn subscribers, of course. And yeah, and here are the um type of content that are on top for the last 2 months. And then I'm not sure how it's gonna work. How many choose to view? So 66 point. So 88% is the most high traffic. And for the audience, I've got 84 subscribers. So for the new viewers and the returning. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the revenue. So for the revenue for the last 2 months, I've earned 1,560. And let's see, 700, and then I've got 600 for the April. So this is basically what I've earned in the past. It's not that too much, it's not that too big, no? But I hope that it can be more of that if I can make a video that will earn 1,000 views, because you will be earning via the number of 1,000 views, guys. Let me show you and I'll explain it here. So with the content of cash flow management, if I'm gonna be looking at to the revenue here, in this one, my revenue every 1K views is gonna be 224 and 82 cents. So let's say for example, this will be 1K views. So for the 1K views, I will be earning 224. But now I only have 62 views. So my revenue for that is 13 pesos and 94 cents. So that's how it works in terms of the YouTube, guys. The good thing about it is that kahit hindi ka consistent or hindi ka everyday nagpo-post, you are still earning by the ads. And as far as I know, parang when you stop earning or when you stop posting for the next 8 months or like straight talagang 8 months, that's the time that you the demonetization stop. So that's what I'm trying to avoid, because I don't know, it's kind of hard to be monetized in YouTube, guys. I created a different YouTube channel. It's more on the finances part, and really for the 2 years I haven't had monetized it. So it's kind of blessing for me that I have this channel that is being monetized, and I just have to keep it going. It's just that I really having a hard time to create irrelevant content that may be helpful for my audience. But I'm hoping that since I'm I'm like, talagang ano na ako, no? Like, ano bang tawag dito? Like, na-inspire na ako to create more because I have a new camera. I bought a new camera for my wedding content creator. And of course, I'm gonna be using it for my YouTube channel. That's the point of everything here. And I do hope that with this camera, I get to be inspired to create more. I do wish that I have a good quality video here, a good audio sounds, even though wala pa naman akong microphone. And what I like about this camera, guys, is that I don't think I needed a ring light because parang okay naman yung lights ko. I'm not sure. Maybe you can comment down if you are looking at a good quality video now and a good quality audio without having a setup of a ring light. Kasi yun yung parang nag-procrastinate ako because I have to set up the ring light, I have to set up the tripod. Kakaloka. Daming ganap. But anyways, that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. Yes, I'm still getting paid as long as I'm not being demonetized by the YouTube, and knock on wood, I hope it won't. So I'll still try to continue create videos, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. And of course, if you like this video, guys, please don't forget to like, because liking and subscribing to my channel will help me boost this video, or YouTube will help me boost this video to be on the same audience like you. So let's grow our community, and I do hope to see you in our next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!